Self-practice 5.3, question 2. Here we have a crossword puzzle. Okay, so let's try to do the horizontal ones first. A. Find the sum of the arithmetic series till the first 18 terms. So we need to find S18. Okay, so the formula for arithmetic progression, Sn will equal to n over 2 to a n minus 1 d. So S18 will be 18 over 2. A is the first term. N is 18 minus 1. D will be the difference. So looks like this is minus 4. So we put minus 4 here. Okay, we put this all in our calculator. 18 over 2 is 9. 2 times 38 plus 17 times negative 4. We get 72. So horizontal A is 72. All right, let's look at B. Find the sum of the first 100 terms of an arithmetic progression such that first term is negative 10, the difference is 6. So here we need to find S100. So 100 over 2. First term is negative 10. 100 minus 1 is 99. Common difference is 6. So 100 over 2 is 50. Negative 20 plus 99 times 6. 28,700. So this is horizontal B. Horizontal B is here. 28,700. Okay. Right. Let's look at C. Find the first term of the arithmetic progression in which the sum of the first 42 terms is this and the last term is negative 22. Okay. If they say first 42 terms means n is 42. Sum of the first 42 terms means this is Sn. And the last term we can call this L. We need to find the first term, which is A. Here we can use the other formula for Sn. N over 2 A plus L. So this is another formula we can use to find the sum of the first n terms. So Sn is 5838. N is 42. A we want to find. L is negative 22. So from here we must make A the subject. So let's simplify this. This one will get 21. So 5838 divide by 21. Since this whole thing is multiplied by 21, we bring here become divide lah. Equals to A minus 22. So A is just 5838 over 21 plus 22. $300. So the first term is 300. Horizontal C is here, 300. Okay. Now let's look at the vertical. Calculate S140 of an arithmetic progression that has 140 terms, in which the first term and the last term, so this is A, this is L, are 2 and 449. Okay, we need to find S140. So S140 will be 140 over 2 We can use this formula since we have the first and the last term. Okay, 140 over 2 is 70. 2 plus 4, 49. We get 31570. This will be vertical C. So 31570. Perfect. Okay, last one. We only got one left. Actually, we just do E enough. Right, never mind. Let's just try D just to double check. So D, calculate the value of n of an arithmetic progression. First term is negative 15. Common difference is negative 3. Sum of the first n terms is this. We need to find n. Okay. Maybe I erase all this lah. It looks too confusing. Okay. We need to find n now. Right. So here looks like we can use the first formula. So Sn is negative 1023. N we don't know. A is negative 15. N minus 1 D. Common difference is negative 3. Ooh. Alright. Then we try to expand. Two times negative 15 is negative 30. Negative 3 times this will be negative 3n. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. These two I'm going to bring here, become times. So negative 1023 times 2 equals to n times negative 27 minus 3n. Okay, so negative 30 I added with the 3 to get this lah. Then we can expand. So here negative 27n plus 3, minus 3n square is negative 2046. Okay, so I'm going to bring all this here. So 3n square plus 27n minus 2046 is 0. So we factorize using calculator. Here 327 negative 2046. So we get n is negative 31 and n is also 22. So obviously n cannot be negative because we can't find negative term. So n has to be 22. This one we reject. So let's just check. D 22. Correct? Huh? Okay, actually to be honest you don't have to do T because it's already completed. But this is just to check. Alright, let's look at the last one. Okay, calculate the sum of 200 terms after the first 50 terms of an arithmetic progression in which the sum of the first n terms is this one. Okay, so basically what they want us to do is, okay, you have the first term, second term, third term until 50th terms, and then you have some more until 250. So they want us to find the sum of 200 terms after the first 50 terms. So 50 terms is here. They want us to find the next 200. That means from 51 to 250. So what we have to do is, we have to do S 250 to find from 1 until 250, And then we must minus S50, the first 50 terms, to give us this part. So we need to sub the n with 250 and 50. Okay, so our working will look like this: S250 minus S50. Right, so Sn is given by this formula, so we just have to put it in. So 250 over 2, 250 plus 1 minus 50 over 2, 50 plus 1. Oops. 250 over 2 times 251 minus 50 over 2 times 51. So we get 30,100. So 30,100.